Here we are down in art storage. We just had a big painting come in yesterday that we're going to take out of its box and then, or take out of its frame, I guess, and hang it on the wall. It's on loan for us for 3 years, so it's going to be a very nice painting. Don't think I can actually show it to you, unfortunately, because it is highly, highly copyrighted, so sad, but I can show you some behind the scenes stuff. We have found ourselves upstairs installing paintings, moving things around. Today is actually Teddy's last day, which I'm very sad about, but I'm excited for him. And it's cool that he got to do this. That is in no way, shape, or form level. That's better. So I'm excited that he got to do this as his last little thing for today. So I feel like this is a good way to go out, is hang some big old paintings, and I'll give you guys a little peek of what they look like. This is the new one that we got coming in. How cool is that? So these paintings are always really neat to hang. So right now everybody else is running off getting something, and we are guarding artwork while I stand in front of artwork. It's pretty cool. I wear white gloves. Everybody else puts like blue plastic ones, but those really irritate my hands. So when I first started here, I invested in I think 24 pairs of white museum cotton gloves, and I have a whole system, and I'll take them home and wash them when they get too dirty, and it's much better and it doesn't hurt my hands, so it's pretty good. You can tell, beautiful. I had to wear some blue ones earlier and they were all irritated and red. So I'm gonna leave here in about 10 minutes, and I'm very sad right now because Teddy's not gonna be back when I get here again, so it happens. It's so weird because growing up, my dad worked for a university, so I've always kind of known about the ebb and flow of student workers and students that you get to know. And it's so interesting to be on the other side of that now, is to actually have that be part of my professional career, working at a university. So it adds a little bit of context. It's sad, but it's also exciting because you get to see kids grow up, so it's kind of neat. So Teddy, before you leave, what's been your favorite thing about working here?
You.
Aw, don't lie.
What's your favorite memory?
What's your favorite thing about working here?
Touching stuff other people can't.
That is a lot of fun. I enjoy that part of the job as well.
It's an ego thing, isn't it?
So, what's your favorite part about Teddy working here? Randy?
I told you yesterday, or maybe I was telling Denise, it's very hard to find a student who is aware enough of what needs to happen next to just jump onto it.
And he's like that. He's great, and we're all gonna miss him.
You can teach him one time or twice, and then he picks up on it quickly, and you don't have to watch him for a month and a half.
And I know the thing that you had said is that, there are some things that you gave Teddy to do that you would never give another student.
Trust,
Yeah.
This is going to be part of my applications.
It's here's my friend's vlog from my last day, everybody talking about me, so. All right, we're gonna take some pictures of Teddy moving this, and then we're gonna head home. It's a great day. Thank you, Teddy, for everything. Bye. All right, we're home from work. On my way home, I did stop at the doctor's office, and I visited, hang on a second. Okay, that's better, not much, but I visited the nurse practitioner, and I have been officially diagnosed with bronchitis, which I'm not entirely surprised by. I had a feeling that's what was going on. So I have some antibiotics I gotta take here in a second when I eat lunch, so I should fix that just fine. I called my grandmother and I told her that, I talked to her before I went to the doctor and saw the nurse practitioner, and she's like, well, call me back once you know. So I called her back and I told her I had bronchitis. And she says, well, just take it easy today, and then tomorrow you can get back to normal. And I was like, all right, I'm going to take your advice on that. Because I was going to go to the gym, and I asked the nurse practitioner, I was going to go work out. And she's like, just listen to what your body tells you. And my body was telling me no, that you shouldn't go work out. We're not feeling up to it. But part of what I'm trying to do is overcome what my body is telling me, what my mind is telling me, and trying to be better about that. So I was gonna go, but then after my grandmother said that, I'm like, okay, I won't go. So I came home, and I'm gonna clean up here a little bit, eat some lunch, and then go from there. The other thing she told me was that she said, now it is scientifically proven that drinking hot tea helps heal bronchitis. Okay, Donna, sure, helps bronchitis if you say so. So, which is good timing because we actually just got in the mail yesterday a subscription box. This is the subscription box SipsBy, which is actually a tea subscription box. Perfect timing because this is scientifically proven to help my sickness. So we're going to do an unboxing here. I had subscribed to SipsBy independently in the past before because I am a big tea drinker. I did, I think, 3 months, and I was like, okay, like, I'm not going to do this anymore. But right now I'm using an app called Sweatcoin, which pays you for steps that are taken that are logged with your app. And the thing you spend your rewards on, or spend your coins on, basically, is subscription boxes. Like, you get, like, discounts on it. So SipsBy is usually $15 a month, and I got this one for $5 through Sweatcoin, which I think is a pretty good deal. There's another subscription box that did the same thing with it. I'm going to save for the end of the month because I'm super excited about it. So we're going to do a little unboxing here. So first off, we have, let me do better at this. We have this very nice little tea, just little thing. And it's actually a gift card. So this gift card will apply $15 towards a first-time SipsBy subscription for 1 3-month of tea just for you. So, you know, I may get a new email address and just do that. But this is a cute little card. I like that. And then sips together, and it just is saying share this and you get it. So we have a little list here, and this is December's teas. Everybody knows how much I like for December. And what they do is it actually says made for Jordan. You put in sort of your taste profile, things that you like, and they're going to send you things based on what you like. So I tend to not like really strong teas. I like fruity things. I like lighter ones. So I'm not going to enjoy like an Earl Grey or a cinnamon tea, stuff like that I don't like. So they usually try to send you more personalized things. So something that is very helpful is they send you this great little bag. It's a SipsBy, and this is a reusable muslin tea bag that you can use this specifically as a tea bag. But in the bag comes these reusable, these one-time use tea bags as well. So if you use loose leaf teas like I do sometimes, like that I buy from David's Tea, you can use those for that. So that's very helpful. And the next one we're going to grab all of them. We have, I'm not sure if I'm going to like this, unfortunately. I'll try it. It's a cranberry blood orange from Round Black Tea Bag, the Republic of Tea. So it says, enjoy this environmentally friendly round unbleached tea bag free of wasteful strings, staples, and tags, which is great. And the thing that it says about this is it's a, where did we go? High caffeine, this tart, sweet, fruitful blend of cranberries, black tea, and orange peels is delicious, either hot or iced. I will say I will probably like this iced better than I will hot. I don't like citrusy things hot, but iced, this will be really good. So I'll like throw 2 of these, or maybe even just 1 of them, in a, thing. I think that'd be pretty good. So the next one is going to be from Ahmad Tea, London. We have a rose hip, hibiscus, and cherry tea. I don't think I'll like this one either. This is why I stopped subscribing to this box, because it's like, okay, this is, all well and good, but I'm not sure if it's going to work out for me. So let's see what this one says. It's a British family business with a long tradition. They supply tea to the royal collection, including the Buckingham Palace. So, I mean, we might try it. I don't necessarily always like cherry things, but I could be proven wrong. We'll try one of them, and then if one of these doesn't work, I'll leave them out at the free table at work, and that'll be that. So here we have Tea Kitten. Where we're looking here. Pink Citrus Magic Green Tea. And it says this fruity citrus green tea channels your inner sorceress with the magical ingredient that turns this brew into a playful pink delight. Add a drop of lemon and watch it change colors. I've seen ones before, and these are pretty cool. So this is kind of interesting. So I mean, citrus is good, and I think that'll be good for my sore throat. So there's that. And then we have this unusual friend down here. And this is like a little, this isn't what I expected. This is a flower pot from the tea company, as I drop it. And this is a Lush Lavender Blooming Tea from Flower Pot Tea. It's like a blooming tea is made by hand sewing tea leaves into a ball with a flower creation inside. Place one bloom into a clear pot or large glass with boiling water and watch the magic happen. This is probably what I'll have right now, actually, because I think it'll be good for relaxing. So we're going to go ahead and open this little guy, since I am going to make him now. Okay. That hurt my throat. So it looks like he's wrapped in some foil. This is pretty foil. I will probably save this foil for a book or something. So we gotta be very, very careful as I rip it immediately. Okay. Oh, wow. How fanciful is that? So it smells really good. So I have a big pot of, does it say how much I need on this? 1 bloom per 1 pot of water. So I have a big glass pitcher that I use when I make iced tea. So I'll probably put this in there and I will do a video of it, because why wouldn't I do a video of it? So that's that. And then down here we have some information about that blooming stuff. And then this Ahmad tea. So that's the SipsBy. This isn't a bad box for $5. I'm gonna cancel it though, because it's just not worth it for me. It's not worth $15 to me. Sorry. It's just, I'd much rather spend that $15 and go to David's Tea or get some celestial seasonings that I actually like and that I'll actually use. But this is a good pick-me-up right now though, because like I said, I desperately needed something. Like I said, it's medically proven that this will help your sore throat. Okay, here we go. This picture does look dirty because it just made tea in it, so that's why. So let's see what happens. So much for making it centered. You still see it? Need to do anything? Maybe we just gotta give it some time. So this didn't bloom quite as much as I wanted to, and I'm sure I could let it bloom a little bit more, but I'm ready for tea. So we're just gonna go with that. So, yay tea. Scientific evidence here, folks. So I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna lay around. My apartment is a freaking disaster right now because I've been sick, I haven't wanted to do anything, and then yesterday with my birthday, I have done, like, it's bad. It's bad. So I need to eat some lunch, drink some flowery tea, and clean up a little bit. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.